Welcome to the Getting Started with Idea video series presented by Automation Services. The next subject we're going to talk about is joining databases. The need to combine database rows or information from one dataset with the rows in a second dataset is a very common occurrence. The combined dataset can have a more complete picture of the issue you're trying to analyze and give you the ability to spot outliers or trends in your data more quickly. With Idea open, you can see that I've already imported two databases into my project, Detailed Sales and Customers. To start with, double-click and open your primary dataset. This will be my Detailed Sales dataset. Now, let's click on the Analysis tab. The Join function is located in the Relate category. Click Join to open the Join Databases dialog. Idea's join function works on exactly two databases. The file or data set that you have open when clicking the Join button will be the primary database. This will be my Detailed Sales database. And typically, you'll want this database to be the one with the largest number of records. The next step is selecting the second or secondary dataset. This is the one that will be joined to the primary. The secondary database usually has less records than the primary and contains supporting data. This isn't an absolute rule, but more of a rule of thumb. And I'm going to use the Customers database in this example as my secondary database. For both the primary and secondary files, you can click the Fields button. Doing this will display a list of fields in the dataset and let you decide which fields will be present in the output database after the join routine is complete. I'm going to leave all of the fields selected in both files. Now click Match. In the Match Key Fields dialog, you'll choose how the two datasets will be related. And you can select up to 8 columns that must match as your key. The names of the columns do not matter, but the data type does. You can only match a character field to a character field, a numeric field to a numeric field, and so on. I'm going to match these two datasets together on the customer number field and click OK. Remember to type a new name for your output database, something descriptive. And this file will show up in the left-hand panel, File Explorer of your Idea instance. You have 5 options for joining databases. For a quick explanation of each match type, hover your mouse over the option and a small bubble help will appear. In this example, I want to see any sales made to a customer that is not in my customer master database. This is called an Exclusion Join, and I'll select Records with no secondary match as my option. The result dataset will include records for customer numbers that are present in my Detailed Sales file, but not present in my customer master file. Click OK to run the join. My result set contains 3 records, and if I were to scroll through my customers database, the following customer numbers will not be present. If you have any questions, need more information or assistance joining databases in Idea, please call the Automation Services Help Desk at 888-641-2800 and choose option 4. Thanks, and make it a great day.